Where did you come from?
Michi is so sorry to ask you this, but...
Is that my cheesecake I ordered?
Yes, here you go. Sorry for the wait.
Ah, thank you. Can I help you with something?
Are you Melissa Lycan, the famous TV producer?
Well, I see my reputation precedes me.
Are you kidding me? Michi is such a big fan of your work. You have no idea how much I admire your talent to boss people around.
Well, that's not even what I do. Please get that man off the premises!
Oh, Michi is so sorry, but she didn't know how to call what you do. Producing? Ha! I'm so embarrassed!
It's fine. But I think I'll be having this food to go.
Wait! Don't you think Michi would make a good reality star? Michi has the looks for it, yeah?
No. Now, if you'll excuse me...
Wait! Can we talk more?
No, we cannot. I'm sorry, but I don't take kindly to people coming up trying to sell themselves to me. That's not how you get into one of my productions. Come to me when you have a portfolio and something worth talking about.
She just told Michi off. She's so cool!
Michi, get back to work, you lazy bum!
I swear, if this Miwa girl doesn't show up soon, I'm...
Hi! So sorry Michi is late.
This better be worth my time.
It is. But first, Michi wants to order some food. You're paying, right?
If you have what you say you have...
But just because Michi admires you doesn't mean she's going to bend over backwards.
What do you want?
Food first. Phew, that meal was great. Michi could never afford this place on her own.
Now that you've had your fill, and I had to sit through that horrid display of food carnage, you better start talking.
Right. Let me ask you, sister, you're the oldest, right? Why ain't you inheriting the corporation?
Because it's what our parents want. I know better than to question who puts food on my table, and you should too. So the next few sentences out of your mouth better be the reason you called me here.
Yikes, okay. Didn't realize you were a snapper.
Spiraling out of control.
Hey there! I heard you had an unlimited amount to order on Melissa's tab, so I was wondering what I can get ya.
Cheesecake to go, please.
Cheesecake to go. Got it! So, that's one cheesecake, a ravioli di portobello, one fettuccine alfredo, one lasagna frita, and a side of calamari.